I would like to now show you how to use a work list to support your care coordination and the use of the portal. The work list is basically where you can put a list of your patients that you're working on for whatever reason. For instance, you may have a list of some patients that you need to check on their reports or their lab data every day. So instead of having to go to the search criteria screen that we're on at this time and pull up the patient's name or even go to recent patients, this will allow you to keep a folder with all of your patients' names for that particular need to look at as often as you need. The work list is over here in the menu, and when you open it up, you're going to notice that there's 6 different folders, and they're labeled with the names of colors. So we're going to start by pulling up the red folder. And so you're going to make the decision on what you want to call this folder. It can be your asthmatic patients, it can be Sharon's list, it can be patients who need follow-ups. Whatever the reason, you can rename it to whatever works for you. You're going to rename it by clicking here and putting in, whatever you want to name this folder. So for demonstrations, I'm going to put Sharon's list, and I'm going to OK that. In my blue folder, as you can see, that changed the red to the Sharon's list. And then I'm going to go to the blue folder, and I want to rename that my INR list. And this is the patients that are having INRs, and I want to keep track of them. Please note, though, you can only put 50 patients in a folder. So if you had 100 patients, though, you could have INR list 1, and then your next folder you could INR list 2, and so on. So once you OK that, as you can see, it changes here, and it also changes there on the menu. I'm going to show you now how to put patients into each particular folder. So you're going to go to demographic search. There's 2 ways to do this. The first way, we're going to put Minnie Mouse in one of the folders. So you first have to find Minnie Mouse by going to the demographic search. And you can see here by a little box to the left of their name. So you're going to confirm that this is the Minnie Mouse that you want to put in your Sharon's list, and you're going to click this little box. Once you do that, go all the way to the bottom, and it says Add Checked Results to Worklist. By clicking on that, you're going to see Sharon's list. I'm going to click on that, and that Minnie Mouse now will be over here in my work list. There's Minnie Mouse. When you've completed working with Minnie Mouse, after whatever time period it is, to remove her, you just click there and remove, and she will be off your list. So this is real easy to put patients in and out of the work list in your clinical portal. I do want to show you one other way to put a patient in the particular file that you want, the work list. So we're going to be putting HinTest Demo into the INR list. So you're in the portal and you've been looking at his data, and you say that you want to put him in the INR. Well, what you're going to do is to go up to this part of the portal, and you're going to see a flag. And when you hover over it, it says Worklist. Clicking on that will bring up all the different lists, and then we want to put him in the INR list. When you click on that, one click only, you'll just notice that this did turn blue for the blue file. And every time you open up the clinical portal, you will see that. I'll show you if I do it in the Sharon's list, and I actually added him to both lists, he's going to be in the red and the blue. So going back over here to the work list, there's hen test demo in my Sharon's list and hen test demo in my INR list. It's as simple as that. This is a great tool. I find that a lot of people truly enjoy using this. It's easy to navigate, find your patients that you want quickly, and keep track of them. Hope it was helpful. Thank you.